Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel, where we share all the knowledge and insights to help you find a job in Canada and any place in the world. Today's topic is something very close to my heart, because it's something that I did myself. So I'm going to share my personal experience. The question is, how do you find a job anywhere in the world? I'm going to answer this question by breaking it down into 4 simple steps. Step number 1, choose your destination country. This is a big decision, right? It depends on your personal circumstances, such as family, finances, qualifications, experience, and of course, your goals and priorities. For example, if you're a recent graduate with no work experience, maybe you should consider countries like Canada, New Zealand, or even Australia, which are more open to accepting foreign workers. If you're an experienced professional, then you have more options to explore like the USA, UK, Germany, Japan, and so on. Now, how do you decide? Well, I recommend that you make a list of the pros and cons of each country based on your own situation. For example, if you speak English, then you might want to consider countries where English is the main language like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, or the US, because you won't have a language barrier. You also need to think about visa requirements, cost of living, healthcare system, culture, weather, and so on. In short, do your research. Step 2. Research job market trends and requirements. Before you start applying to jobs, it's important to understand the job market in your chosen country. Is there a high demand for workers in your field? What are the current hiring trends? Are employers looking for remote workers, or do they prefer on-site employees? What are the typical salaries and benefits offered for your position? What are the specific requirements and qualifications that employers are looking for? How can you stand out from the competition? To find this information, I recommend that you visit relevant government websites and job search portals to get a better understanding of the job market and the competition. Step 3. Tailor your resume and cover letter. Once you've researched the job market and the requirements, it's time to tailor your resume and cover letter to the specific country you're applying to. This means that you need to customize your resume and cover letter to match the format, style, and content of what employers in that country are looking for. For example, you may need to include certain keywords or phrases that are specific to that country's job market. You may also need to adjust your education and work experience sections to match the qualifications and skills that employers are looking for. In addition, it's important to proofread your resume and cover letter carefully to ensure that there are no grammatical or spelling errors. You can use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor to help you with this process. Step 4. Apply for jobs and follow up. Now that your resume and cover letter are tailored to the specific country you're applying to, it's time to start applying for jobs. Be sure to apply to as many jobs as you can that match your skills and experience. Don't limit yourself to just a few applications. And after you've applied to a job, be sure to follow up with the employer to express your interest in the position. Following up shows that you're proactive and that you're really interested in the job. It can also help you stand out from the competition. Finding a job abroad is 100% possible, but it takes research, strategy, and persistence. So don't get discouraged if you don't land a job right away. Keep trying and you will eventually find a job in your desired country. By the way, I'm currently running a special offer for my exclusive online coaching program. This is for those of you who want to take things to the next level and land a job in Canada or anywhere in the world within the next 8 weeks. So during these 8 weeks, I will work closely with you to help you find a job. This includes resume and cover letter writing, interview preparation, job search strategy, and so much more. So comment below where you want to work, and I'll help you with tips specific to that country. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more global career content. And finally, here's my special offer. If you sign up today, you'll get a special discount. But spots are limited, so you need to act fast. All you have to do is fill out the form below to get the registration link. Don't miss your chance to learn what actually works from someone who's done it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the webinar.